Hello friends and welcome to another episode of the Diecast Do channel. First, don't forget to like and subscribe. In this episode I will unbox some Siku items, so let's start right now. I have this beautiful Porsche 911 Turbo. Let's open it up and check this package. How cool is this? So let's take it out and take a closer look. It looks really good, nice paint, plastic headlights. We got a license plate in the front, Porsche logo, nice interior. Hope you can see that. We have opening doors. Looks really good inside. Let's open up the other door. Open up pretty good. Close them again. Okay, let's take a look at the base. We have rubber tires, nice profile. We see some specs of the car over here and here. And we see the name of the car and that it is made in Poland and not in China. Brilliant looking car. So what I was saying about the package, that it is so cool, you can put it back and close it again. How nice is that? Thank you Siku for this wonderful package. Okay, up to the next one. The DHL van, nice yellow color. Steering wheel is not so great, no opening doors. We've got plastic tires. Let's see if we got, and this one is made in China. But it's a little bit cheaper than the Porsche, but it looks actually very cool. Okay, up to the next one. This one was also a little bit more expensive, so I expect, let's take it over here, that it is also made in Poland. We got very nice wheels, rubber tires, and let's see, yes, it's made in Poland. And here we can see the specs of the car, what it's capable of. A Mercedes AMG GLA 45. And again, we got opening doors, very nice interior. The other one is open. Nice Mercedes logo in the front, no license plate. Plastic lights. Very nice gray color. Here we got some details on the back and you can put a trailer on it, so that's very cool. I really like this casting, very nice. Okay, here I've got another Porsche, but this one is the convertible, and we see also again rubber tires. Nice rims, no opening doors, but hey, who cares, you can jump in because there's no roof on it. Very nice interior. Let's take a look at the front. We got a license plate, but it is painted in the color of the car. We got the Porsche logo, plastic lights, and here we got some specs of the car, made in Poland. Let's take the other one so we can compare it, because I think this is also a 911 Turbo, yes. So here we got the convertible and the regular one. Very nice. Okay, here we got a machine with a piece of wood. So it's not capable of moving, I see. No. So it is what it is. You can move this, but it goes in one way. You can't turn it around. So let's put this like this. So here it is. Very nice machine. This one was €2, so we can't complain for that amount of money. Looks really nice. Okay, next one. Here we got a Jaguar. And these cars also feel very heavy. And we can see rubber tires, got opening doors, and you see the interior looks really good. We got a black roof, and that is very nice in combination with the red color. So let's take a look here. It is made in Poland. We got some details here on the base, some specs, and the address of Siku if you want to send them a letter of how much you like the brand. Here we got the front of the car with the Jaguar logo, and again the plastic lights not painted, which is really cool. The rear lights are painted, but you can't see it because it's the same color as the car. Joking. Okay. Next one, a construction machine. Really cool. It goes up and it goes down, and you can move this. And it cannot knick. Very nice lever, plastic base. Germany. Yeah, I like this one. Looks pretty nice. Let's put it over here. Okay, here we got a nice BMW. Check the front Siku license plate. We got rubber tires. We got the front doors can open. Very nice interior. I like the Siku interior. Take a look over here. Yeah, that looks amazing. This is also very nice. Here the same thing as on the other car, some details on the base, not much. On this one we got some specs of the car here. Maximum speed, BMW 5ER Touring. And this is what we like, licensed by BMW. Very nice. Okay, here we got another BMW, and this one is looking very nice in the white color. I think this is also, let's check it out right away. This is also a BMW. Oh, this is 750i. Again, licensed by BMW. Got the specs over here. And some details. Rubber tires, made in Poland, Europe. This looks very cool. I also like they have this so you can put a trailer on it or a caravan. Okay, let's go to the American school bus. It's a very nice piece. Plastic tires, and this one is made in China. Some details. We got a school bus. Got the interior here, but it's not that great, but you pay a little bit less than the ones that are made in Poland. But still, it is looking very cool. I think this is a nice school bus for the price you pay. Okay, let's put this back and let's go over to one of my favorites. The Jeep. Very nice wheels. Nice interior. Thick plastic. Very strong. Hey, and this one is made in China. And it got plastic wheels. So we got some specs over here. Maximum speed. Jeep Wrangler. Yeah, I really like this Jeep. And this one is also available with a trailer with a boat. So that's very nice. And then you pay €7.99, I believe. And that is the same with this fire truck over here. The Unimog from Germany. This one is also very nice. Look at the detail. This is plastic on top. Nice, they did a gray color. Really nice Unimog. Siku license plate. Plastic wheels. Let's see. Very nice. I like this one. It looks very beautiful. This is one of my favorite Unimogs in Diecast. This is really good looking, and like I said, this is also available with a trailer with a boat. So that's very nice. So let's go to the metal tour bus. This one is epic, a must-have. And I believe the open air event is an event that really exists in Germany. I believe it's metal open air, but I'm not sure. Look at this thing. Oh man, this is good looking. The dragon, the flames, the black color, metal tours, events, open air festival. Awesome. Awesome bus. So I know Germany is a real metal country. So I think that's why Siku made this metal tour bus. Let's see if we got some specs over here. It is made in China. Plastic base, plastic wheels, but double wheels. So that's pretty cool. That's realistic. This is definitely a must-have. Okay, let's make some room for the bus. This thing is crazy cool. And like I said, it deserves its own video, so I'm probably going to make a video where you can see this by itself. Okay, let's open this up. First, let's take a look at the tractor. The John Deere, and I believe it's the 9630. This thing is crazy. And it's, like we call it here in Europe, a knick tractor. I think this is the biggest and strongest tractor from John Deere. And this is a 187 scale. This thing looks really beautiful. I like this one, and every time I saw it I thought I must buy this thing, and now finally I have one in my collection. I have a few tractors in my collection. Sometimes when I see one that I think, wow, this is really cool, this is a real strong machine, then I want it. And this is also a nice scale, not too big. Okay, let's take out the... Oh, it's locked. Let's see. Is that possible? Let's open it up. Yes. Okay. You can put it right here. Wow, this is cool. Let's take the camera a little bit lower. Let's see. We can take a closer look. I think this is good. This thing is amazing. Look how cool this is. I have to do a proper video of this thing alone, this beautiful tractor. Let's take a look at the trailer of the Amazon Center. This is rubber, this is plastic. As you can see, it looks really realistic with the wheels. And of course you can take it up like this. You can drive it around. The steering wheel is also very nice. Let's take it over here. Let's lower this down. There we go. This thing is a 187 scale. Can you believe how big this thing is in real life? Absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. There's coming a video for this John Deere where I do an unboxing and review all about the John Deere. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time in a new video of the Diecast channel. Have a nice day. Bye guys.